and Donda is among the 10 projects vying for Album of the Year. She is featured on the tracks Pure Soul and OK OK Part 2. Now, according to the Recording Academy, this year, if an album is up for Album of the Year, then all credited featured artists, songwriters of new material, producers, recording engineers, mixers, and mastering engineers who worked on that album are automatically nominated. In her post yesterday, Shenseea claimed that she received nominations for Best Rap Album for her contribution on Donda, Best Progressive R&B Album for the single Silver Tongue Devil, on Masejo's Studying Abroad Extended EP, and Best Dance Electronic Music Album for Tiny and Major Lazer's Music is the Weapon Reloaded. However, the Recording Academy's rules indicate that featured acts in these genre categories must contribute more than 51% of playing time on the project in order to be considered nominated. Fans, industry players, and artists sent their congratulatory messages on her social media post. Canadian pop star The Weeknd's hit track Blinding Lights is the new #1 song on Billboard's Greatest Songs of All Time Hot 100 chart. Blinding Lights spent 4 weeks at #1 and shattered the record for most weeks spent in the top 5, the top 10, top 40, and on the Hot 100. The track is featured on Weeknd's After Hours album and has dethroned Chubby Checker's classic The Twist, which was awarded the title back in 2008 after separate chart runs in 1960 and 1962. In celebrating the achievement, Billboard is launching a special collection of trading cards, which will be followed by the debut of limited edition NFT collection. Billboard's rankings are based on total weeks on the chart as well as exact chart positions, with adjustments made to account for chart turnover rates during various periods. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.